Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open Control Center and set AirDrop to contacts only or everyone depending on the recipient. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so the discovery works. Make sure both iPhones stay unlocked and awake. In Photos, tap Select and choose the pictures you want. This first move is crucial because AirDrop negotiates a private direct connection. Once the images are selected, you're ready to bring the devices together and complete the touch transfer. You tap the share icon and pick AirDrop from the menu, then scan the list for the recipient's device name or profile photo. Once visible, hold the iPhones near each other. Proximity speeds the handshake, and say the person's name if there are multiple nearby devices. Tap their name to send. You'll see a sending progress and a small preview on their screen. This middle step is where discovery converts to actual transfer, so keep both screens active until the preview appears. You ask the recipient to tap Accept when their preview appears. Received photos save directly to their Photos app. Once done, verify images open correctly, then disable AirDrop or set it back to contacts only for privacy. If something goes wrong, toggle AirDrop, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, move devices closer and try again. These fixes clear common handshake issues. If discovery still fails, switch AirDrop to everyone briefly so the devices see each other. Then revert settings after the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.